5 apps you can make money with. Have you ever gotten tired of working 9 to 5 and earning money? Well, most probably everyone lands in this category. And we all imagine what life would be like if we had a chance to earn cash lying down on our couch or bed and earning cash by using our phones as celebrities do. So don't worry, we got you. Today, we're going to tell you about 5 mobile apps/websites that can offer you good money without making any effort. So if you want to earn some good money, then watch this video carefully till the end, because if you skip the important part, then you skip the money. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. Number 1. Ibotta. Ibotta is a free mobile app that offers cashback rewards when you shop and coupons when you use it. With Ibotta, consumers have the opportunity to receive cashback on select products by performing simple tasks, purchasing the products, and then providing proof of purchase. So how does Ibotta work? Well, with Ibotta, users can earn cashback in a variety of ways. The first thing you will need to do is tap on the Ibotta icon on your mobile device, and that will bring you to the heart of the app, called the Offers section. There is an Offers section on the website which displays pictures of the products with offers as well as the total amount you can get back in cash displayed under each product. When you find a product that you are interested in purchasing, then tap on the Earn Dollar bar to view the tasks that you need to complete in order to earn the cash back after you purchase that product. If you take a look at most products, you will see that you have more than one way to earn money. There are a number of tasks that you can complete. The more tasks you complete, the more cash you are going to get back. Among the tasks you could be asked to complete are reading a fact, participating in a short survey, watching a short video, posting on your Facebook page, or writing a short comment about the product. Ibotta's app automatically adds the product to your checklist once you complete a task associated with that offer, so that you can earn money for purchasing the item if you are able to complete it. Generally, most of the tasks can be completed very quickly and in about the same amount of time it takes to clip and file a paper coupon. Once you have completed the tasks, you need to purchase a product from a participating store in order to receive the cashback. The next step is to browse the store extras section of the site. There are offers that are specific to that store. As an example, there may be offers from Target that you only qualify for if you purchase the product from Target. Ibotta is currently available in more than 300 participating stores, including Amazon, Target, Kroger, Walmart, and many others. On the Ibotta website, you can see the most current list of participating stores. Now, number 2. Rakuten. Using this free app and web extension, you can find coupon codes and earn cashback just by clicking the affiliate links within it. You can use the links to find coupons and earn cashback on your purchases. And along with earning cashback on online stores, it is possible to earn cashback on travel, groceries, dining, and much more. The website of Rakuten states that they have paid over $1 billion in cashback to their members so far. It's free to sign up with Rakuten and start earning cashback. When you purchase something through the company's website, they get paid a commission. As soon as the purchase is verified by the store, Rakuten earns its commission and gives you a portion of it in the form of cashback. Once you have created an account on Rakuten, you will be able to shop at thousands of online stores directly through the website app and browser extension, all the while earning cashback. You can also add your credit or debit card to earn cashback on eligible in-store purchases when you link your cards. You can browse the offers available online and claim the ones you are interested in claiming. As soon as the offer is activated and you make the purchase, your cashback will be added to your Rakuten account. After that, you will receive a check or a PayPal deposit with your earnings quarterly. Next is number 3. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is an online platform devoted to connecting users with a wide range of surveys from popular brands and service providers. It is absolutely free for users to register for Survey Junkie and start participating in surveys. It could be a great opportunity for you if you have some free time at your disposal and you want to earn some easy money. Taking online surveys could be ideal. There is a low barrier to entry when it comes to getting started, and almost everyone is eligible to participate in some surveys based on the information that they provide in their profile. Although the pay is fairly low, ranging from $0.50 and $3 per survey completed, most questionnaires take 20 minutes or less to complete, and most aren't particularly difficult or stressful. Additionally, keep in mind that certain surveys pay more in points than others. There is currently a wide variety of surveys that are worth between 80 and 150 points, and each point is worth 1 cent. Now, number 4. YouGov. In fact, YouGov is a legitimate non-profit that works with governments on some important issues and considers itself a global community with around 4 million members and contributors around the world. As a survey site, YouGov is a legit one with a good payout rate. But if you want to cash out, you'll have to spend a lot of time taking surveys over time, so not everyone will qualify for a steady stream of surveys. In total, the process of signing up took around 10 minutes. During that process, YouGov will ask you a number of screening questions for the purpose of identifying which surveys you're best suited for. There are several basic demographic questions that should be asked, including but not limited to date of birth, gender, zip code, email address. If you successfully complete these screening questions, you'll earn 500 points from YouGov. While this may seem exciting, it's important to realize that 500 points are a mere drop in the bucket of what it takes to cash out, something that we'll get into later on. For example, if you were able to earn 1,500 points per day, it would take you around 35 days of consistently using the service to earn $50, or 70 days to earn $100. The research suggests that the average survey takes about 10 to 15 minutes on average. Taking these surveys for less than 30 minutes a day is a great way to earn around $50 in around a month, which is a respectable reward rate compared to other survey sites. And now, last but not least, number 5, GetUpside. It's an incredibly simple to use cashback app that gives you cashbacks for purchases made at gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores across the United States. The only thing you need to do is upload a picture of the receipt in order to claim your cashback points. Within 4 to 24 hours, your cashback will be credited to your account. The points will appear in your account, where you can cash out the points as a gift card, send them to PayPal, or receive a check. So, how does GetUpside make money? Well, GetUpside's business model relies on a concept called the Circle of Life to make their money. In the Circle of Life, there are 4 phases: invest, acquire, personalize, and share. Therefore, it can be said that GetUpside makes money from incremental profit, which is the profit which is generated from an increase in sales. But how do you cash out on the GetUpside app? It is necessary to wait for GetUpside to process your receipt before you can cash out your earnings. This process may take up to 24 hours to complete. As soon as your receipt has been processed, you should receive an email from GetUpside informing you of your earnings. If you go to the app, you will see your earnings in the upper right corner of the screen. After you click on that, you will be presented with a variety of options for cashing out your earnings. You can cash out your earnings as a gift card, or you can send them to PayPal, or you can opt to receive a check. Pretty simple and profitable, right? Well, looking at the prices of gas right now, everyone should use this. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.